Okay, this is the Wi-Fi card for the Zebra ZT411, and inside is the antenna that you see on the left and the card itself on the right. Now to go ahead and install it, you have two slots. Pick either one. Next you want to power off, and then disconnect the power. That's for safety, and you don't want to damage the card. And in our case we had Ethernet for test purposes. To go ahead and disconnect that if you are connected to it. Okay, then remove that plate. It could be done without any tools. You can see I do it there. Inside you'll see the two rails, the top rail, bottom rail, and the top rail. And then of course the card it's going to plug into. Okay, and you can see the card itself here, and it matches what you see there. So go ahead and just pop it in. Pop! You hear that nicely. Okay, and there are those two screws. You're going to need a number 2 hex screw. I don't know why they didn't do Phillips, but number 2 hex screw. Go ahead and screw that in. Top one and then the bottom one. Then go ahead and attach the antenna. Easy enough to do. And now with that in place, go ahead and reconnect power and turn it on. You hear that nice sound there of the printer going. Now it's time for the wizard. So go ahead and tap Wizards, tap Connection, Start Connection, Wi-Fi, and then of course a lot of these menus are going to be just skipped through with that. We'll want DHCP only, but choose yours. US Canada. This is important. Pick the right protocol for what you're using. And here's the part that's backwards. You have to put the SSID password in first. That is so counterintuitive. And then once that's entered, your Wi-Fi band, and then you put in your SSID. Type it in. And it won't display you any. You have to know what the name of it is, and then you enter it in. Okay, once that's entered in, your Wi-Fi IP protocol, again we're sticking with just DHCP. And then of course Bluetooth, whether you're going to use it or not. In this case I'm just leaving it on. Printer friendly name, you can change that if you want. And there you are. Now when the wizard's done, you can go back to the home menu, go to print info, and you won't see it immediately. You see it as it's up, it's configuring, and all of a sudden you'll see it appear. You can't see the network is online, and now you see the IP address. And this is the finished product with Wi-Fi card installed and IP information.